Wake up! School! School! School!
5 more minutes.
No, Chloe! Not 5 more minutes! School! School!
You're so freaking annoying. I hate you.
Come on, come out! Okay. Okay, so Mr. Fooey is at school. I can't wait for math. It's my favorite subject.
Oh my gosh, my favorite subject. I hate math, but my favorite subject. I love math more than I like freaking you. So annoying. I hate you.
Okay, let's just get to our lockers.
You freaking idiot.
Okay.
Hey, maybe did you hear that?
I think Mr. Fooey dropped his books.
Oh.
Hi, Mr. Fooey.
Hi, Mr. Fooey.
Hi, kids. Go sit down.
You dropped one of your books.
Oh, thank you. Go sit down, my sweet darling.
I heard something.
Guys, that's just the other class. Because remember, they're doing gym and all that? Yes, I remember it perfectly. Okay, thank you.
I heard something.
It's not that bad. Okay, class. Ready for some fun? Today we're going to be playing a math game. Okay, Jonathan, how about you come up here? Sure, I would love that. Okay, so, I might have a squeaky voice and it might be really annoying. Chloe, why did you do that?
I'm tired. I said 5 more minutes, but you didn't want me to. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, okay. Jonathan, how about... You might be my sister, but I need to do this.
Oh, fine.
Okay, Jonathan. Okay, I want you to get Chloe to come up here. Come up here, sis.
What do you want?
And I want you to answer. He's going to do a mind trick on you, okay? Okay, 2 plus 2. I mean, 1 plus 1.
Oh my gosh, that's 2.
2 plus 2.
4.
4 plus 4.
6. No. 8.
8 plus 8.
15.
It's 16, but okay.
Come on.
Okay, Okay, think of a vegetable in your head and I'll guess it.
Huh?
Think of a vegetable in your head and I'll guess it. You're thinking of a carrot.
No.
What? Oh.
Do you know what it was?
No.
It was a coconut.
That's not a vegetable.
Whatever. It was what are they called? The red things.
Tomato?
Yeah.
That's a fruit. But,
No, it isn't. Tomatoes are vegetables, dummy. You freaking dork.
okay, okay. I guess you're right. Oh. Hey, why is this blocked off?
Oh my gosh. I have to explain this again. A kid died in there. He just went nuts, so they shot him and he killed the teacher. Mr. Victorious. And Mr. I forget the other teacher.
Okay. Is it time to go home, Mr. Fooey?
Yeah, no, it's not!
Who was that?
It was me!
Oh, you scared me. Why? Go home, kids. Okay.
Hey.
Ow.
Hey, nerd. No.
What? I'm not a nerd.
No, get away! Never gonna happen, nerd.
Oh. Fine, let's just get home.
I
and
might
get some
be
sleep.
beautiful, but no, not gonna happen.
You're my sister. I don't know why it would happen. Well, to me, you're like a sister,
You
but...
tried to freaking... whatever.
Well, let's get some sleep. Night. I better go wake up. Oh my God, you actually woke up early instead of me waking you up this time.
Here's the cookie, handsome.
What? Thanks, I guess. I think there might be something going on. Is this a dream?
I got your stuff.
Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Fury.
Hi, Mr. Fooey. Oh, hi. Get away. Why are you acting like this? Because you're my least favorite child. But, are you okay? Okay. Okay, Jonathan. Jonathan, come up here. We're gonna play a game and get Chloe to come up too. Sure.
Okay, Mr. Beanie.
Okay, what's 1 plus 1?
2.
2 plus 2.
4.
4 plus 4?
8.
8 plus 8.
16.
Think of a vegetable in your head and I'll guess it. Carrot?
Yes!
I actually guessed it right?
Mm-hmm.
Is there something going on with you, Chloe?
But it's time to go home now.
Yes. You're my favorite student.
I love you, Mr. Phoebe. I'm okay.
Is there something like going on that I should know about? Exactly. Wait up.
I'm right over to Home Depot. Don't get into anything.
Yes, Mr. Crickbo.
What was he wanted to say?
He wanted to go to Mr. Home Depot to get some, like, science stuff for us.
Okay. But Home Depot is a hardware store.
Yeah. I have to go get some stuff, and I'll come over and study with you.
Okay. Wait, no. Oh, nerd. Jonathan.
Yeah? Thanks.
You always called me your sister because you really like me.
It's because we know each other for so long, so I've always thought you was my sister.
Well, we did know each other since we were 2, so. Mwah! Bye.
I'm gonna go have a nap. This is way too creepy. I don't know what's
He
going
loves books, so I'm gonna bring him his favorite book.
This is. What is going on with Chloe?
Hey,
Oh,
sorry. Knock.
come on in.
I know you like books, and since it's almost your birthday, I brought you one.
Oh,
Your favorite book,
thank you.
Diary of the Wimpy Kid.
Thank you. I'm gonna go have a nap, Chloe. Chloe,
What?
are you okay?
Maybe.
I want to have a nap. Have a good nap too.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, have a nice day, Jonathan.
I will. Oh, that must have been all a dream.
Come on, nerd. Get your butt out here.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sis.
So annoying. I hate him. Come on. Go to school.
Yeah.
Good thing I don't sit directly beside you.
Hey, I have a question. Do you like me?
What do you mean? No, not gonna happen. Remember when you tried it? Not gonna happen.
Okay. I guess it was all a dream.
Come on, nerd.
Yes.
What are you freaking doing, you stupid teacher?
Hello, Jonathan. Go sit down, my lovely student. Yes, Mr. Fooey. He's always been nice to me, but to you, he thinks you're annoying. I'm sorry. He thinks you're beautiful in your own way. Okay,
Yeah.
well, come on up, Jonathan. We're gonna play a game. You too, Chloe.
What game is it? The vegetable picking?
Nope. Now, ask some questions, and then he's gonna guess your number. Okay, 3 plus 3.
6.
6 plus 6.
12.
Now add those two together in your head.
12 and 6?
Yes, add them together, and then just keep it in your head.
18.
Okay, now subtract 3 in your head and do not tell me, and I'll guess the number. I'm guessing it is 16.
Oh, 16? Yeah, it was, you freaking nerd. Get it.
Sorry.
Hey, Mr. Few, it's time to go home, isn't it?
Yep. Thank you, Mr. Fry. Goodbye.
Wait, you forgot to get your stuff.
Oh, yeah. By the way, thank you for this book you gave me yesterday.
Oh, you're welcome. I was just being nice because it was Valentine's Day. Duh.
So it wasn't a dream?
No! Duh. That was the only time that I'm being nice to you on Valentine's Day.
It was Valentine's
And
Day?
maybe when you get more handsome.
Okay, bye. I'm going to stay at school for a little bit longer, okay? Bye.